Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by my channel, CrystalMichelle, and this is a special video that I want to dedicate to all the brides out there. If you're like me and your plans got canceled this year or postponed, then stay tuned because this video is dedicated to you. Okay, so today I'm featuring this HerGivenHair wig that I received from HerGivenHair as a gift for my wedding day, which was going to be this year in October, but it's postponed till next year, September. But I wanted to give you DIY brides who will either be having their wedding this year or whether you're going to have a small intimate ceremony, some options that you can play around with so you can get your hair done during this, special time. So the first thing I'm going to do is take a hot comb because I really want my edges to be nice and smooth and just laid down. After doing that, I'm just going to make sure I really brush this wig out. And this is a full lace wig. It has the bleached knots on it. I am a cap size small. Also, this is in the shade 1B and I have a brown cap on, just so you guys know. I'm just brushing the hair, combing it behind my head for our first style. I'm doing 3 bridal styles in this video. So make sure you have a scrunchie on hand and you're just going to pull your hair back into a somewhat loose ponytail. And just look at that scalp, guys. Like, I absolutely hands down love this wig, and I'm so sad I won't be wearing it until next year. But right now all I'm doing is pulling the hair into a little tight ponytail, and then I'm actually going to tuck it underneath. So I hope that makes sense what I'm saying. I'm just kind of rolling it underneath, and then once I do that, I'm going to take a bobby pin to hold that in place. As you guys can see how wig this new is, you're going to see the lace in the back throughout the video because I didn't even cut that part off, so just forgive me for that. Okay, so now that it's pinned in place at the nape, you guys can have an idea of what it looks like. This hair is so beautiful, shiny, tangle free. I absolutely love HerGivenHair. It is one of my favorite natural hair lines for wigs and weaves and clip-ins, and I've said this multiple times on my channel. I still have hair from them from like years ago. So all I'm doing right now is just really pinning up the ends of this bun that I created, and then I'm gonna go ahead and kind of make my own DIY hair piece. But you can order these off of Etsy. You can do what I'm doing. I'm just taking some glitter branches and just putting it there so you guys can kind of get an idea. So all you're doing is tucking and rolling, pinning that, and then pinning up the 2 ends in place, and then bam, you have an elegant, beautiful bun that is easy to do. Okay, so the next style that I'm doing is going to involve a little bit of products, which is pretty much just a heat protectant because we want to use this wig another time. So I'm going to go ahead and twist my hair, wrapping it around, yep, you got it, a curling rod. And I hold it in place for about, let's say, anywhere from like 10 to 15 seconds. And I let it go and I check the ends. Once in a blue moon, I don't get it right. So I wanted you guys to see the honest truth for some brides who are really just trying to figure this out on your own. But give that another additional 10 seconds and then bam, you have a beautiful curl wand curl. So I'm going to go ahead and do this all over my hair. I'm doing this in about 1.5 inch sections. Like, they're really chunky, thick sections because just wait for it, what we're going to do after we're done curl wanding our hair. So don't forget to add a little bit of heat protectant. Take that piece of hair and wrap it around tautly around your curling wand and hold it for about let's say 10 to 15 seconds, and make sure your wand is really hot. I have it at 350, but make sure it's heated up and at that point because you really do want your hair to hold these curls in place. Alright, so this is our last section. So go ahead, wrap it around, hold it in place, and then just let it go. And if you're not that great with heat type of appliances, you can always get a glove to protect your hands. And sorry about the gum chewing. Alright, I'm really feeling these curls, but we are going to, drum roll please, we're going to break them apart. Yes, because it is our wedding day. This is 20 inches long of hair, and we want to just feel fabulous and dramatic. Yep, I'm that kind of bride. So I'm actually going to brush this out, and bam, this is just a very whimsical, easygoing, flowing type of look that we can accomplish with our hair. It's just so beautiful. I think it's elegant, and just if you're a bride who likes a lot of volume and over the top, I think this is definitely a style you guys will enjoy. So let's go ahead and jump into style number 3. Now this one we're just building off of style number 2. So we already have curls in our hair, and I'm pretty much combing my hair behind my ear where my part is. I always like to do my part on the right side. And this is so we have a very, very smooth base on top. So I'm just using a fine tooth comb to do this. Make sure your wigs are glued down so you don't have any accidents. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab some bobby pins. I do have rose gold ones on hand, so I'm just gonna do that just for extra decorative feel. And I'm just pinning my hair behind my ears, and I'm gonna do the same on the other side. However, I'm kind of making a swoop of a bang, if that makes sense from what you guys can see. And then I'm just gonna pull that hair a little bit forward, so it really does look like I made a bang. Alright, so then all I'm doing is taking pieces of hair and just putting it up to my head. So it's actually kind of lifting my hair up and kind of creating a second row so we get a more fuller effect. So just grab sections like you see right here. You're just going to pull it up to the midsection of your head, and then just take a bobby pin and hold it in place. And make sure you have a friend that's there to help you so they can just fluff it out in areas that look a little sparse. Okay, so I know it's looking a little crazy, but I just have to pin a few more sections up so it looks nice and full, but the hair will be cascading down in the back. So these are for my brides who want their hair pulled back, or they'll be adding on like a veil or a brooch or a piece or something like that. And make sure you go back in and really fluff it out. But I just want you guys to kind of get a view of what it looks like. But then, bam, you add the veil on and it's cascading down. I absolutely love this style. I think all 3 styles are very different but elegant and easy to accomplish on your DIY wedding day. I hope this was so helpful. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe and follow me on all my social media platforms. Bye!